Here's your complete YouTube video script as requested. Imagine buying a brand new car in 2025 that is affordable, fuel efficient, easy to maintain, and perfect for city driving. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. Today we're talking about one of the most iconic cars ever seen on South Asian roads, the Suzuki Mehran 2025. Yes, you heard that right. Suzuki Mehran is making headlines again, and people are curious whether this legendary hatchback can still survive in the modern era. Stay with us till the end because we'll also reveal the expected price and whether this car still makes sense for today's buyers. Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Home Hub, your trusted place for the latest car news, honest reviews, and real buyer information. If you love budget cars and practical vehicles, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran is expected to stay true to its simple and practical DNA while adding small but important upgrades. The design remains compact, making it ideal for crowded city roads and tight parking spaces. The body is slightly refreshed with smoother lines, improved headlights, and a cleaner front grille to give it a more modern look without losing its identity. Suzuki knows Mehran buyers value function over flash, and that philosophy continues here. Under the hood, the 2025 Mehran is expected to feature a small 800cc petrol engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. While it's not built for speed or performance, it shines when it comes to daily commuting. Mileage is expected to be around 18 to 22 kilometers per liter, making it a strong option for people who want low running costs. The engine is paired with a manual transmission, keeping maintenance simple and affordable. Inside the cabin, don't expect luxury, but do expect practicality. The interior is basic, with durable materials designed to last. Suzuki may add small upgrades like a digital speedometer, better seat fabric, and optional power windows in higher variants. Air conditioning is expected to be standard, which is a must in today's climate. The cabin space is decent for a small family, and the upright seating position provides good visibility for city driving. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Mehran is expected to include essential features like seat belts, reinforced body structure, and possibly a driver airbag in select variants. While it may not compete with premium hatchbacks, it focuses on affordability and reliability. Now let's talk about the most important part, the price. The expected price of the Suzuki Mehran 2025 is likely to fall between 1.6 million Pakistani rupees to 1.9 million Pakistani rupees, depending on the variant and features. This makes it one of the most budget-friendly brand new cars available, especially for first-time buyers, students, and small families. In conclusion, the Suzuki Mehran 2025 is not about luxury or advanced technology. It's about simplicity, low ownership cost, easy repairs, and trusted reliability. If you want a basic car that gets the job done without hurting your wallet, Mehran still deserves your attention. This was Auto Home Hub. Let us know in the comments if you would buy the new Mehran or not, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car content.